How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey everybody, if you're wanting to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Snapchat and navigate to the snap or the story you want to save. And then you may hit over to a snap that you may want to save. You need to go ahead to your phone settings. You can also use your notification bar. After that, go ahead and enable the airplane mode. So once your airplane mode is enabled, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot and save it into your camera roll, or you can also take a screenshot to save it onto your device. After the saving is done, what you can do is you can just go ahead and close your Snapchat and go ahead and turn off your flight mode. So what this does is airplane mode disables your phone's internet connection, preventing Snapchat from sending any notifications. So once you turn the airplane mode back off, Snapchat will sync with the server, but it won't know that you saved the snap while offline. So that is it. That is how you save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.